Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you shaving 101. I have been shaving for a very long time now, probably 7, 8, 9 years I would say. I don't exactly remember when I started, but it's been really long time since I've started shaving. I feel at this point I have made my fair share of mistakes, cut myself, bruised myself, got strawberry skin, I have like cuts, bumps, everything, and now is the time when I can say I've really perfected it. No matter what I do, I know I'm going to end up with a very smooth skin. So if you want to know how I shave and if you want to see the perfect way I feel to shave without any hassle, then keep on watching. सबसे पहले let's start with the very basics. So shaving obviously can be done at your home. बहुत cheap alternative है to your waxing, which is also painful, extremely painful. I've waxed for a lot of years and oh my gosh, the pain. So obviously you can shave at the comfort of your own house. There is no pain involved in shaving. I think cost wise is also very minimum. So I don't see a reason to not shave and do other things. Obviously in terms of tanning, shaving does not remove tanning, जो waxing से remove हो जाती है, or so I've heard. I'm not sure about it, so don't quote me on that. But I still feel shaving is a much better alternative to everything. Then there's laser obviously, but it's still very expensive. I want to get laser done. I'm thinking of getting it done, but I don't know yet, so I'm not going to comment on it. I don't know if it's painful, if it's not painful, if it's tedious. I have no idea, because I know बहुत सारी sittings you have to sit, and I know there's like they do one spot at a time, like one little patch, and it hurts. You're like electrifying you. But I don't really know because I've never had that experience, so I still stick with shaving. Now, how often should you shave? So there is no particular when should you shave or how often should you shave, but it depends on your growth. मेरे लिए personally, if I do once in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it works. Winter में obviously I tend to push it longer, as long as I can. Again, it just depends. You can have separate days of shaving as well, so I would always do arms separately, legs separately, because I don't want to spend a lot of time in the shower. So एक दिन अगर arms कर लो, it just takes 5-10 minutes extra on top of your shower, and then legs will take 10 minutes extra on a separate day, so you won't spend 1 hour. Now let's start with how to shave. The first thing I would always recommend is scrubbing. So I don't know why people skip on this step when they are shaving, but scrubbing is so important. जब भी आपके bumps होते हैं, और if you see undergrowth and all of that, scrubbing helps with that greatly. जब भी आपकी skin पे bumps होते हैं or you feel there's undergrowth, scrubbing really helps. Also, scrubbing will always help with a great smoother skin, because जो भी dead skin है, scrub वो remove कर लेगा. So either you can scrub a day before if you're new to shaving, don't do it the same day. But if you have been in the game for some time, you can scrub and then shave. That is fine. Always warm up your skin before shaving. So bathroom में जाते ही नहाना start करते ही don't start shaving. Spend like at least give your skin 5 minutes after you put water on it for hair to become soft and smooth and receptive to shave. Otherwise, अगर hair बहुत hard होगा and you start shaving, there will be obviously cuts. The hair can get twisted and pulled and you will have bumps. ये सब avoid करने के लिए give yourself time to hydrate और hair को soft होने का और skin को prepare होने का. Then always scrub से you'll remove the dead skin, you'll remove जो भी undergrowth है, you'll remove that, and your hair will be in a much soft state for shaving. So pulling, twisting, you'll avoid that, and then in turn you'll avoid a lot of जो लोगों को problem होती है of strawberry legs, bumps, or strawberry arms or rashes, can be avoided by scrubbing. मैं Dove का scrub use करती हूँ, exfoliating body scrub, can be used on your arms and your legs. So I think this is, and it smells really nice. ये shea butter and pomegranate seeds है. This is how the scrub looks like, and this smells really nice. तो मुझे तो वैसे भी ऐसे spa जैसी feeling आ जाती है scrub करके. So don't have to use any fancy scrub. You can just use Dove. और अगर if you don't want to invest in a scrub, you can just mix olive oil, coffee and sugar, and can use a natural scrub as well. Next is a shaving gel. I personally like to use shaving gel, but if you don't again want to invest in a shaving gel, perfectly fine. Conditioner works amazing. I would not recommend soap really, because it's not as soft as conditioner. Conditioner ज़्यादा smooth होता है in touch as well. When you touch soap, when you touch conditioner, वो ज़्यादा smooth होता है. So I think it'll just help glide your razor easily. So I would always recommend either you invest in a shaving gel, and if you don't want to do it, my sister doesn't do it, you can just use conditioner. इसका basically काम ये है, ये आपके skin के बीच में और रेजर के बीच में एक बैरियर क्रिएट कर देगा, सो योर रेजर वोंट बी वेरी हार्श ऑन योर स्किन एंड गिव यू कट्स. नाउ द लास्ट थिंग इज अ रेजर. आई विल लिंक अ फ्यू रेजर्स जो मैं यूज करती थी इंडिया में, जो मैं अब भी यूज करती हूँ इंडिया में व्हेन आई एम इन इंडिया, डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक आई डू हैव 2 of them, but I couldn't find it. वो मैंने किसी बॉक्स में रखे हुए हैं where all my extras are. But right now I'm currently using this razor. It is called Estrid. I find this as one of the best razors available in the market. Unfortunately, I think ये India में available नहीं है. But similar razors available हैं by Gillette, which are not too expensive and does the same work sort of. Basically, find something जिसपे soap sides हो दोनों side, again because it makes it very very smooth. Always dry your razor. जब भी आप use कर लो, pat dry it with a towel. How often should you change your razor? या तो you wait for this thing to finish, the soap bars on top and bottom. जब ये खत्म हो जाए, इसमें तो 3 sides पर है, it's on the sides as well. तो either ये खत्म हो जाए, throw it away, or if you're using the disposable ones, वो तो आप एक बार use करके फेंक दो. If you don't have these, I would suggest don't use it for more than 4 times. एक तो blade हमेशा blunt होगा as you use it. That you will in turn scratch yourself harder. No point. It's better to use it just a few times and then change. It's just very easy if you're using this. Just have to, मतलब इसमें तो you just have to pull it. It goes out and you can stick a new one in. But always change your blades. Don't use them for months and months, because again you will end up with a problematic skin if you don't change it. Sometimes ये साफ दिखेगा, but it does not matter. It's still not very hygienic for you to use it for a longer time. Now the question is, how should you shave? So the thing is, when you start shaving, the best way to do it is in the direction of your hair growth. Always, never go in the, which will in turn cause friction and irritation on your skin. Bumps होंगे, to avoid that, always go in the direction. Always be very gentle. सबसे पहले I always suggest you doing big parts of your hands and then going near the smaller parts, like near your elbows or your fingers or your wrist, because, and you have to be really gentle. Never ever put too much pressure to glide your razor, because the work of a razor is to actually pull out hair, and it will do it. अगर आप ज़्यादा force लगाओगे, it's not going to do anything better. It's only going to cause you irritation. So don't put a lot of pressure. Just naturally let it slide over and your hair will come out. And that I feel is everything that you should take care of while shaving your hair. Now, जब आप shave कर चुके हो, most important thing is to moisturize your skin, because it can get really dry. अब बहुत सारे लोग हैं who use a shaving balm, post shaving balm. I've never used it. I don't use it. You can just put your moisturizer, any nice moisturizer. Just take a big pump, moisturize properly. उसके ऊपर से you can put body oil as well. I do sometimes. I have a Vaseline body oil. I put that as well, and your job is done. That is everything you need to know about shaving. And yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you'd like to see how I shave my face, because I shave my face as well. If you'd like to stick around, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.